Hi everyone, and welcome to the Monterey Bay Aquarium Sea Otter exhibit. Are you curious, playful, maybe even a little bit mischievous? Well, then you might get along swimmingly with our sea otter, Kit. The longest of any of our otters, and with fur that's a rich, milk chocolatey brown, Kit's one of our easiest otters to spot next to her smaller and blonder companions. And if her looks don't give her away, her actions really otter.
Not on the window, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're naughty.
Kit has been with us for most of her life. Her time at the aquarium began back in January 2010 after she was rescued by our Sea Otter program as an orphan pup. At the time, all of our eligible surrogate mothers were already paired up with pups behind the scenes. So, Kit became the very first pup raised on exhibit with foster otter mom May. Sea otters are naturally very curious animals, and our otter team constantly tries to keep up with Kit's inquisitive energy. If you've ever spotted an otter wrapped up in a bucket, wrestling with fellow youngster Otter Ivy, or surfing on one of the many enrichments our aquarists create for our girls, there's a good chance you're watching Kit. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you'd like to know more about our sea otters here at the aquarium and the important work we're doing to save these pawesome animals in the wild, check out our Sea Otter playlist here or follow the links in the description below. See you next time.